What are you guys talking about? You guys are camping.
I just want to hit slots.
Oh no. Start off, please don't crash. Dude, my server's so ass it fucking like crashes when I like try to do math on the calculator.
Go take a jump random. Oh my, the monitor's going off now.
Live!
What's happening on sneakers?
Okay.
I can't see it.
Live on kids, live on kids.
I can't even see it on sneakers.
Live on trooper.
I love adding two items in one.
Where's Kid?
Dude, I don't know.
Where's Kid? Oh.
Due to the limited nature of this release, I mean the high demand of this release,
Okay, buddy.
we are sorry. Loading, nice.
The fuck is this? My tasks aren't moving, but
Nike,
fuck.
Nike sneakers isn't working for me.
Yeah, I don't see the. I don't see.
Yeah, same.
For me, I'm in line.
Yeah, I'm in line too. Did you hit?
What? Done what?
Oh, size 9. Okay.
Bro, he got
What?
9?
What but? No way.
No, he got 9 pairs of shoes.
Q for kiss. What does that mean? Is that good? Bad?
No, it's out of stock.
Oh, I got it on BlueStacks.
Oh, okay. Damn it. 3 of my boxes got banned.
Dude, did I really get declined?
Oh my god, sneakers not working for me.
You guys are really having issues on Snickers?
Oh,
Yes.
sneakers just got sold out.
Except for on BlueStacks, it works.
Tried to.
No way. 11 pairs. Fucking insane, dude. You're insane.
Do it. You should do it.
It's going up, boys. That's going up.
I've been trying to cart for 20 minutes and I can't.
These caps are
Ah!
Dude, I think my spots hit a lot, man. Deadass. I got 3 of them so far.
Dude, every drop you have slots.
0. Like, what?
I did it, boys. I did it.
They're still in stock.
What
On
the
what?
I'm
fuck?
sending you my card right now. You're running slots. You should run me slots.
Bruh.
Dude, look at this.
Is it all on WhatBot you're hitting? Nice.